In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code using Canva. QR codes are a fantastic way to provide quick access to digital content like websites, PDFs, or any online resources directly from printed materials, making them an extremely useful tool for a variety of personal and professional projects. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit canva.com and sign in. On the upper right corner, you'll see the login button. Simply click on that and you'll have the option to sign in using either Google, Facebook, or your email credentials, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on Canva's homepage. Now, take a look at the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen, commonly known as the menu icon. Click on this and a panel will slide out. Here, you'll want to find and click on Create a Design. This step will either allow you to start a new design from scratch or choose an existing one if you already have something in mind where you'd like to add your new QR code. Now that you're in your design workspace, look over to the left-hand panel. You'll notice various options, but for our purpose today, click on Apps. This section is where you'll find a whole range of Canva's integrated tools and plugins. Use the search bar at the top of the Apps section and type in QR code, or if you prefer, you can scroll until you find the QR code tool. Once you spot it, go ahead and select the QR code app. This will take you to the QR code generator interface within Canva. Here's where the magic happens. In the application's input field, paste the URL that you want your QR code to link to. This can be your company's website, a special event registration page, or any other URL. Once you've double checked that the URL is correct, simply hit the Generate Code button. Canva will automatically create a QR code for you. If you want to play around with the aesthetics a bit, you have the option to adjust the QR code's colors and margins to better match your design's overall look and feel. This customization can help ensure that the code integrates smoothly into your project without clashing with your design elements. After customization, Canva will save your QR code to the Upload section. Simply drag and drop it into your design, positioning it wherever you think it works best, keeping accessibility and visibility in mind. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've added a custom-tailored QR code to your Canva design, ready to share with your audience. Feel free to explore other design elements to complement your code and make your project even more engaging. Thanks for watching and happy designing.